Okay, this is my last video of the day, most likely. I'm sitting over there at that bench in a few minutes, and I'm using my Crosman Redtail 22 caliber, and I'm going to be using some Crosman Premier Hollow Point pellets. And I'm shooting at 12 yards right here. And this is what I figured out I can do with really dried up French bread. See? This stuff is really hard. Okay? Look at that. If I smash this, it'll turn into powder. See? Look how dry that is. Alright. So I figured out something I can do. Alright? Is I take and I put the bread in something that I can tie it with. Okay? So now I have it tied right here. And then I'm going to hang it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to shoot it. And then when I shoot it, it's going to fall apart and the breadcrumbs are going to drop down. And once they drop down, the pellets won't be in the breadcrumbs because they're going to go right through the bread. And then I have this breadcrumbs were just wonderful to give to my geese and feed the crows and stuff like that. Isn't that a nice way to make breadcrumbs? I'm going to show you just how it works now. I'm going to go back and start shooting these bread. Hopefully you can see that. I'll maybe put it a little bit closer so you can see the bread just a little bit better. There you go. Be right back. I have to get creative sometimes. Using the Crosman Premier Hollow Point and the Crosman Redtail 22 caliber rifle. I want to make a lot of breadcrumbs with my gun and my pellets. I figure the birds will love this. See that? See all those breadcrumbs come flying down? I'm just going to do this like 5 times. There's a big hole in the middle of the bread. And then we'll take this camera and see how many breadcrumbs went down onto the cardboard. There we go. Instant breadcrumbs. Amazing. Now I don't have to soak the bread or break it apart or anything. I can just feed it to my birds. Isn't that great? Look how many breadcrumbs I have on my cardboard now. That is amazing.